Class 4 grammar chapter 6. Okay, now we'll start. Okay, that is adjectives. Okay, now an adjective is tells some quality of a noun or pronoun. Study the following sentences. Now see, adjective tells the quality of a noun or pronoun. Okay, now study the following. Sachin is a good player. I am not greedy. Artul is not honest. She wants more some cold water. So good, greedy, honest, cold. These are the adjectives. Okay, adjective. These are that this describes. Okay, how Sachin is. I am not greedy. How is Atul? Okay, now she wants some cold water. These are the adjectives. Now these words are adjectives and they tells the quality of the noun or pronoun. Now degree of comparison. Now see, now there are two or more than, okay, we use adjective to compare two or more than person, place, things. Now see, this is called degree of comparison. When we compare, now see, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now positive degree, see, good, tall, long, short. Now comparative, better, taller, longer, shorter. Superlative, best, tallest, longest, shortest. Okay, now you have learned in this book 3, now class 3. Now we use the positive degree to say how two person or things are same or not same among two. Now see, Rose, Rosie is as tall as Nancy. Rosie is not so tall as Nancy. So we are comparing two person. Next is comparative degree. Bini is taller than Namya. Motu is fatter than Patlu. Okay, this is comparative. Now we are comparing. Now between two person. Now we use superlative to compare three or more person. Where it is more than three or more person, then we use superlative degree. Now see, Bini is the tallest girl in our class. Karan is the best player in our team. So we are comparing more. So you are using more than two. So you are using tallest, best. Now see, now this is also, now you have to write the comparative and superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Fine, finer, finest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Great, greater, greatest. Small, smaller, smallest. Brave, braver, bravest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. This one you can do very easy. This do by yourself. Now see this one, difficult, some more word. Okay, longer words take more before the comparative and most before the superlative. Now see, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Obedient, more obedient, most obedient. Now next is bad. This some new different type of, see, things. Bad will become worse, worst. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, many will become more or most. Okay, now next, this also same, or these are opposites. Some adjectives are with their opposites. This you have to learn, adjectives and the opposite. Fat, thin, easy, difficult, far, near, deep, shallow. Okay, this you have to learn. These are the adjectives, opposite adjectives. Okay, adjectives with the opposites, matching opposites. Now see, give the comparative and superlative degree of. This one you will do homework in your copy. Number 1, sad, sadder, saddest. Both you have to do comparative and superlative. Sad, sadder, saddest. Bad, bad will become what I told you, bad. Then cold, colder, coldest, like this you will do. Okay, this one you will do in your copy. Okay, now let's check once. Many is here. Many, more, most. Bad, worse, worst it will become. Bad will become worse, worst. Cold, colder, coldest. Many, much more. Old, older, oldest. Late, later, latest. Now poor, poorer, poorest. Happy, happy, happiest. This one you can do by yourself. This one you will do in copy. Now give the opposites. This one also, number 2 also you will do in a copy of the opposite. Low, high, full, empty, easy, hard, sharp, blunt. Now this one, number 3, underline the adjective in each of the sentences. You just underline it. No need to write the degree of comparison. You just underline the adjectives. Like, this is an easy question. So this will be, easy will be the adjective. Ashok was a great king. Great. Okay. Namit is slower than Amit. So slower is adjective. Okay. Describing. Now Chinky is a number 4. Chinky is a tall girl. Tina is as taller. Tina is as taller as Chinky. Namya is taller than Chinky. Chinky is a tall girl. Tina is as tall as Chinky. Namya is taller than Chinky. Namya is the tallest of all girl. Namya is not so tall as Chinky. Okay, this one you do by yourself. This one, write the correct form of the word in the bracket. May is hotter than April. She is taller than her sister. He is the richest man. Name the largest city. Western Rajasthan is the driest part of India. Because we are comparing. Your knife is sharp, but mine is sharper. Okay. This one also you can do. We live in an old house. They live in a big house. Our house is not as big as their. Their house is bigger than our. This is the biggest house in our lane. It is dash big as a palace. It is as big as a palace. Okay, this one also you can do by yourself. So this one will be your homework. You do in the book, click the picture and send me in the group. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.